In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarms section at the bottom. Now to create a new one, use this plus at the top right corner. Now it's time to adjust it. Start by setting up an hour at the top. Then click on Repeat and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. When you're ready, go back. Click on Label to name it however you want to, if you want to, and select Sound. Now you can start by hitting haptics at the top, applying one of those patterns, creating a custom one, misclick, naming it and tapping on Save, selecting None to disable vibrations completely, or synchronize them with current ringtone by tapping on Synchronized at the top. When you're ready, click at the top left corner to go back, tap on Tune Store, download or purchase tones, and pick a song if you want to select any song from your smartphone or from your tone store. Just click on it to apply it, or tap on one of those available ringtones and go back. Now use this switcher next to snooze to switch it off or turn it on. And last but not least, click on snooze duration to decide how many minutes it will take. Finally, to save your new alarm, tap on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make any changes, click on your alarm, change whatever you want to, and use the same check mark. If you wanna get rid of it, click on it again. This time select the Delete option at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!